Dumela, welcome back to Tswana class. So today I'm a little bit sick. If you see a boogie dropping, just ignore it and move on, okay? So my voice might be a little bit louder today because I don't know. I'm sick. It might be COVID for the first time. So anyway, welcome to Tswana class. Today we're gonna be focused on the last class. If you haven't watched the last class, you are in luck. We're going to redo the whole class, but right here live in this video today. Hopefully my voice does not disappear in the middle of the whole thing, and you're gonna have to ignore whatever that sound is you are hearing right now. Uh, so let's get right into it without wasting any time. I'm gonna be closer to the microphone like this today, so bear with me. I don't know, I'm sick. Okay, there we go. I hope I'm ready today because this whole class thing is always a mess. Play, okay, and play.
Dumela, welcome back to Tswana class. Today we are going to talk about health. I hope that this lesson will give you some insights in the health department in Tswana. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Kokelo, kokelo, clinic. Sepatela, sepatela, hospital. Ngaka, ngaka, doctor. Dingaka, dingaka, doctors. Mooki, mooki. No.
Apologize for that. I just had to make sure that everything is working well on the live stream. Okay, so my AC is running behind, so I mean noise that you are hearing coming through my microphone because the AC is going on. So I have done a genius thing. Okay, I'm sick. I said that. So I am sick now that we're talking about it. Uh, when you say "kyalwala" in Setswana, "kyalwala" sounds like you are crazy. So it's a it's a good thing to say. It's actually the proper way to say it or to announce to people that you are not feeling well. Um, However, it's only when like guys are being playful and they're like "Walwala naman," which means are you sick? Are you crazy? Are you mad? So when you just out of the blue say "Kyalwala," it seems like you say you're crazy. But when you want to say you are sick in a like serious proper way, you going to say I'm not feeling well. I mean, ga ke ikutlwe sentle. What am I even saying? Ga ke ikutlwe sentle. Like today, I can tell you guys gore eish, ga ke ikutlwe sentle. Ke na le flu nyana kana ke na le COVID nyana or something. Ga ke ikutlwe sentle. It's the maybe I should text right here in a text. ga ke ikutlwe sentle. I was not as I thought, but this is not a big deal. If you have gone to the other live streaming that I did before, you'll see that I am pretty struggling with technology. Maybe I need help. It's gonna put it out there. Okay. So, yeah, lwala. Lwala. Just this. Okay. So, yeah, lwala. It's gonna be like ga ke ikutlwe sentle. Ga ke ikutlwe. There we go. Let me pull it down here. Make it bigger. Ga ke ikutlwe sentle. That's me right now. Ish, ga ke ikutlwe sentle. Wait. Ke a lwala. When I say ke a lwala, as a proper Tswana speaker, I can't, like, it doesn't sound right. So, ga ke ikutlwe sentle is the best way to describe it, and people take you seriously when you say ish, ga ke ikutlwe sentle. So I hope that clarifies that. So haki kutesenta is just the same as kialwala, but kialwala is used so many times in like playful scenario. So haki kutesenta is your best choice. Let's move on.
I'm sick. Ga ke ikutlwe sentle. Ga ke ikutlwe sentle. I am not feeling well. Ke opiwa ke tlhogo. Ke opiwa ke tlhogo. I have a headache. Hish, ke tsewa ke sedidi. Ke tsewa ke sedidi. I'm feeling dizzy. Matlho a me a baba. Matlho a me a baba. My eyes
Technically,
are
there's
itchy.
not much to add to this lesson.
Ke ya kokelong. Ke ya kokelong. I am going to the clinic. Thato o ya sepateleng. Thato o ya sepateleng. Thato is going.
Okay, I just would like to apologize for the glitch there. I didn't realize my internet was connected to a wrong device, or my laptop was connected to a wrong internet modem. Technically, I have like an extender which is far away, so that's what was going on. If this video is like lagging or whatever. Excuse me. Yeah, so if this video was having any problems, just know it's fixed. You can watch some more from here to the end of this video is gonna be good. So, letangkinela diata metsi. I apologize.
Robega. Robega. Broke. Roba or roba. Break. Robegile. Robegile. Roba or roba.
It's gonna be very difficult to explain this. Why does it change the sound? Uh, when, for example, let me see. Let me set an example. What can I find? So the word roba or roba, it's when I'm telling you to like, please break something there. I'm going to say roba lehonyana le, which is like, please break that stick or something. When I want to say don't break Oscar wa roba. Rob. I mean, it's really difficult to explain this whole thing, but just know the other one is for doing and the other one is not for doing, if that makes sense. I hope, I don't know, I'll come up with a better explanation for this, but basically that's what it is.
Break. Robegile. Robegile. Broken. Lwala. Lwala. Sick. Hotola. Hotola. Cough or coughing. Ruruja. Ruruja. Swell. Rurugile. Rurugile. Swollen.
Sorry.
Botlhoko. Botlhoko. Painful or pain. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon on the live video because there's a lot to unpack from this upload. So stay tuned. Go fitlha re kopana gape mo nakong e e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle. Until we meet again next time. Bye.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. And also, before I just go ahead and think and like explain whatever, I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to this channel. I know it's a bit of a struggle, this Tswana thing. So, ke a leboga, thank you, ke a leboga go menagane and everything. So thank you so much for your subscription. It's really encouraging for me to continue doing this. I really love teaching Setswana. I know I have a certificate to teach English, but I don't know. I just love teaching Setswana, so I'm just taking whatever I learned from teaching English to teaching Tswana. I know even my English is not that good, so I don't like teaching English. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Please like, comment, and I really apologize for all the glitches. So don't comment about that. So this video is clear to me. There's nothing I can explain other than that Roba and Robegile, which I hope that you are going to understand that what it means and how you use it. And if you continue using the language of Setswana, you will learn and understand what I'm trying to say. And please get back to me and let me know what you think about this lesson. And I really enjoyed this live streaming stuff, but I'm a really busy guy taking care of the kids. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again in another video. What can I say? If you are here for the first time, that's great. Press that subscribe button and stay. So yeah, till we meet again next time. Khusiani.